Hey there, super spark scientist. Ever feel like your eyes are superhero level awesome? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because today we're talking about a tiny little secret your eyes have been keeping from you. A secret called the blind spot. Yup, that's right. Your eyes, those peepers you trust to spot cookies, cartoons, and the closest escape from broccoli, have a place where they literally can't see. But you don't notice it, ever. So buckle your seatbelts, or your science helmets, because we're diving eyeball first into the weird, wild world of your blind spot. And don't worry, no eye drops required. Let's zoom in on your eye, like super zoom. You've got this cool jelly-like ball called the eyeball, and it's full of fancy parts like the cornea, the iris, the lens, and the retina. Ooh, science-y! Now the retina is where the magic happens. It's like a movie screen at the back of your eye where light and images get projected. The retina is covered with millions, millions, of special cells called photoreceptors that help you see color, light, and movement. They're like the world's tiniest paparazzi, snapping photos of everything around you. But there's a tiny spot on your retina where there are no photoreceptors. Zero, zilch, nada. That's your blind spot. It's like a little patch of invisibility inside your eyeball. Spooky, right? So why on earth would our super smart eyes have a spot that's blind? Who approved that design? Well, it's because of something called the optic nerve. That's the big cable that carries all the photoscoops from your eye to your brain. And guess what? That cable needs an exit door. Where the optic nerve exits the eye, there's no room for those photoreceptors. So that tiny exit point is the blind spot. Think of it like a door in your bedroom wall. The door lets you get out, but you can't hang a poster there because the space is taken. Same thing with your eye. Okay, but now comes the weird part. If there's a spot where your eye can't see, why don't you see a big black hole floating in your vision all the time? Like, a mini black hole eating my cartoon. Nope, you don't see it. And that's because your brain is a genius. Your brain uses some amazing software called image filling. It's like autocorrect, but for your eyeballs. When your brain notices the blind spot, it just fills in the blanks using what's around it. Like a puzzle master solving the mystery. Let's say your blind spot is over part of your couch. Your brain will go, oh, hey, that's just more couch, and paste in the pattern and color. Poof, no hole. No awkward missing furniture. It's like your brain is photoshopping your world 24/7. Here's something extra bonkers. You can actually find your blind spot with a little experiment. Just search "Find My Blind Spot Later" with a grown-up and prepare to be mind-blown. It works every time. Science magic. But wait, there's more. Did you know everyone has a blind spot in both eyes? That's right. You're not special. Well, okay, you're very special. But in this case, blind spots are part of the normal human package. But here's the trick. Your left and right eyes have their blind spots in different places. So when both eyes are open, they cover for each other like the world's coolest science buddies. Left eye, I got your blind spot, bro. Right eye, right back at ya. So basically, between your two eyes and your overachieving brain, your vision is always in HD, even with secret holes hiding inside it. Like the ultimate teamwork, the Avengers of eyesight. Blind spots aren't just human either. Animals have them too, unless they've got eyes in super weird places. Like on the sides of their heads. Some animals have amazing side vision, but terrible depth. Like fish. Those guys can see what's coming, but they have no idea how far away it is. Octopuses, though, no blind spots, none. That's because their eyes are built differently. They don't need an exit hole for the optic nerve like ours do. So basically, octopuses are winning the eye game. Let's just admit it. Let's take a detour into the land of ancient discoveries. The blind spot was first discovered in the 1660s by a guy named Edme Marriott. He realized people could look straight at something and it would disappear. Boom! History meets biology. Speaking of disappearing acts, magicians aren't the only ones pulling tricks. Your brain does magic every day with your blind spot. Scientists even use it to learn how the brain guesses, interprets, and invents what's not really there. Now think about it. Every blink, every eye movement, every glance, your brain's covering for the blind spot like an all-star goalie in a soccer match. It's reacting in real time. And you're just eating cereal and watching cartoons like nothing's happening. So let's build a crazy metaphor. Imagine your brain as a super painter. Every time you look around, it's brushing over your blind spots with colors and details, using info from your other eye and the world around you. Ta-da! Instant masterpiece! Your blind spot is also the ultimate prankster. It's always there, never seen, and super sneaky. Scientists use special tests to map where it is, and your brain still says, "What blind spot?" LOM. Even video games and virtual reality headsets are now studying blind spots to improve how we see virtual worlds. Yep, your sneaky eye glitch is inspiring future tech. Go blind spot, go! Let's not forget, eyes aren't perfect. They're brilliant, yes, but also a little flawed. The blind spot reminds us that even the coolest gadgets and eyeballs come with a few quirks, and that's okay. So now you know, your eyes have secret invisible holes, your brain is an image-filling rock star, and octopuses are winning the Vision Olympics. But you, my curious friend, are winning the knowledge race. So the next time someone says, "Open your eyes," you can say, "Sure." But did you know there's a secret invisible hole in them? Boom! Science drop. Mic drop. Eyeball drop. Thanks for joining this eyeball adventure. If your brain's feeling extra curious, go peep our other videos. We've got glowing humans, burping volcanoes, salty oceans, floating mysteries, and a jellyfish with jazz hands. Don't forget to blink that like button, wink at the subscribe icon, and share this video with anyone who has eyes. So, like almost everyone, stay curious, stay brilliant, and don't forget, just because you don't see it doesn't mean it's not there. Until next time, brainy explorers.